The Revolution sliding seat and removable foot plate create the best leg press I've ever seen on a home gym. And a big plus about doing leg presses is many people actually find it easier on the backs and knees than a squat. So you get the benefits of a squat, but you don't get the stress on your joints. The Revolution also features a 2-to-1 resistance ratio for the leg press. Now that means that it doubles the Revolution's resistance, which means you get the equivalent of up to 440 pounds with the standard package and up to 600 pounds with the upgrade package. To set up the leg press, start by moving the adjustable arm. We're going to take it all the way to the bottom. And next, take a look at the ropes that are required for doubling the resistance and hooking up the resistance to your leg press sliding seat. If they're currently wrapped around as they should be, up out of the way, you'll need to let them hang. And notice that one comes off of the front side of a pulley that's underneath the seat, and one comes off the back side. Now, to hook this up, it's a good idea to go ahead, release the seat, turn it 90 degrees so that the seat will slide freely. And notice we've already got one side hooked up to save me a little time. But now you can easily hook up the resistance, the snap hook in the adjustable arm, without having to worry about the tension that's already in it, and then take the other end of this doubling system and hook it up to the snap hook that should be associated with this adjustable mechanism on the bottom rail. Now, just two things left. First, the foot plate. Notice the two hooks right here that will secure the foot plate and the post across the top of the foot plate. Make sure that the post rests securely in both hooks, and then you're going to feel that it's really snug as you put it into position on the vertical frame. So take the time to put it all the way down there. You want it to be snug. Finally, take a look at the seat back. We talked about how to put that on all the way down on the bottom post, lock back on the top post. And there's only one more thing you're going to have to check besides finding out what resistance you're going to use, and that is your range of motion. Now, this sliding mechanism on the bottom is what determines your starting position, or in other words, your range of motion. And the further back that I position it, the less depth or range I'm going to have to my leg press. If someone has shorter legs, or they prefer going really deep in their leg press because they're more advanced, while on the seat, just slide that bottom mechanism up, and now you have a deep leg press. Just one more thing that is almost as important as setting up the leg press, and that is taking it apart. For the most part, the mechanism is just the exact opposite, but one thing I want you to do for sure, once you release the snap hooks from the rope that's part of this doubling mechanism, please do not just let these ropes dangle. Sometimes they can get stepped on, they can get caught on other pieces of equipment, or they can become entangled during other exercises. So cross them over, bring them up, and hook them through these handy little slots right here at the top, and then you'll have a safe piece of equipment for every other exercise as well.